Good morning, everyone. It's just after 7, and I'm trying to get a little walk in before the cold rain comes. It was sprinkling a few minutes ago. It's a gloomy morning. Look at this grass. It's called monkey grass. I've picked some before and took it home to Esther. She loved it. And I don't have a bag, like a Walmart bag with me, but next time I'll get some more of it, and hopefully, it will grow in my yard, but I doubt it, because those chickens and Esther love anything green, so it wouldn't have a chance to get into the ground and start spreading around. But it's a grass that rarely spreads. Look at beautiful nature. There's some more of it. I think the monkey grass makes a nice edging. A lot of people don't like it. I can see why too, because it can overtake a yard. Not if you have chickens. Oh, it's supposed to get cold. This nature reserve has these signs. If you need to call 911, you just tell them the numbers that are on the sign. They know exactly where you are. The bad weather is supposed to come in around 5, but I got a feeling it's gonna come in earlier. My throat is so dry. There's a path, but I don't want to go on it. I'll just stick right here. This goes all the way down to, well, they call it a creek, but I've mentioned, to me it's more like a river, because it is wide and it goes for quite a while distance. I'm gonna have to look it up, see what it's really called. Look at all that nice green. Lots of birds. We'll go down here to the end of this concrete and then turn around. The path continues at the end of the concrete, but it's dirt. A dirt path. Maybe we'll go on it. We'll see when we get down there. Can you hear the birds? See how wide this is? That they call it creek? The water don't look good. I I've never gone down there because I'll probably fall, even though it's a path. Goes all the way down there, all that way. Water looks terrible, doesn't it? Green. Oh, it's starting to rain. But look how wide that is. All the erosion. So I call it, to me it's like a river. There's a bench and another 911 sign, and then this path, it's just a short dirt path, and then it comes up onto concrete just like this one. But I think we'll just go back this way. I wish that there was markers to tell you how far you've walked, because I have walked this whole thing all the way around before. And there's paths off to the sides, but I've not gone on those. Oh boy, I don't have a raincoat with me or an umbrella. Gonna walk as fast as I can. I'm I was gonna say a little protected from the trees, but not really. There's no leaves. As long as it don't downpour, because I cannot run. Have a nice bottle of water in the car, and I put some of that lemon in it, those packets. I love mornings. And again, I've been up since after 4. Yesterday morning and this morning. Don't want to walk in that. There's another trail. There was 2 other people walking when I started, but obviously they went another way. They probably went like the reverse direction. Look how big that tree is. I almost dropped the phone. To me, I can already feel the temperature dropping. Between today and Thursday, the temperature could get down to 8 below 0 here in Texas. This little incline always gets me. Look at that. Probably squirrels or snakes in that hole. Another path. I thought I saw someone down there. Gotta hold the phone better. My hand is going to sleep. A path there, and then there's a bench. Then I'm going that way out, but I'm just gonna go over here to show you. That other couple must have went this way. If I would have continued past that creek or river onto that dirt path, it would have come out, and then I'd be coming down this way. But I think I gotta get out of this weather. And up here's the parking lot. So good early morning, everyone. I'll probably call you up later, okay?